morning, students in Agyal Integrated School for first prep. Today we study the first lesson in Agyal. Today we start to study a new lesson, which is called solving equation. What's the meaning of equation? Equation is a mathematical relation, has at least one variable. What's the meaning of variable? Variable, it means something is unknown, all which we need to find the value of unknown. For example, if I say x minus 5 equal 3, this is a relation, contains variable which is called x. Solving equation, it means we need to find the value of x. X in this case equal to what? X in this case is an element in rational number, integer number, rational number, or what? Must be at the first know the set which we work to it. Number two, how to find the value of x. If we look to this term, to this side, x minus 5, what is the number? If we subtract 5 from it, give to me 3. We have two methods to know the value. First method, we translate the element in other side. Don't forget the following. If we translate any element from side to another, must be change the operation. Take the opposite operation. This subtraction. What is the opposite of subtraction? The opposite of subtraction is addition. So, to find the value of x in this case, we take this to the another side by opposite operation. What is the opposite operation of subtraction? Is addition. So, x equal 3 plus 5. Now, we start to know how to find the value of the variable x. This is example, but must be find the simplest form of it. So x equal to 8. This as a value, find the value of x. Don't forget the following. N is the set of natural number. What n equal? N equal 0, 1, 2, and so on. Z is the set of integer number, and we know it consists of 3 parts: positive, negative, and 0. So we can simplify as the following: negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Q, which you study in first term, is the set of rational number. Set of rational number which contains all numbers in the form A over B, such that A and B belongs to Z. But B must be not equal 0. Why? Because any number over 0 has no meaning or meaningless. So, at the first, when he asked me to find the set of solution, must be look in which set I use. If I use natural, integer, or rational. Must be look carefully by the set which we use. لازم تاخد بالك من الست اللي استخدمها N, Z, or Q. For example, if we say find the solution set N of x plus 3 equal 4, 2x equal 8, 3x minus 1 equal 7. These 3 different examples to find the solution set in N. N is a set of natural number. It means must be the number is one of the following: 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. There is no negative there is no fraction in this. What happened if we have negative or fraction? Look, now we start to study. We say at the first of this lesson, any operation translate from side to another, we inverse the operation. If we have addition, go to other side by subtraction. If we have multiplication, go to the another side by division, and so on. So, to solve this one, number 1, x plus 3 equal to 4. How we find the x? This is positive. Positive go to the another side by opposite operation. What is the opposite operation of plus? Yes, it's right, subtraction. So, it's 4 minus 3. X equal 1. Is 1 belongs to n? Yes. So, we write solution set, or the set of solution, both is right. And we denote it by SS. So, SS, it means set of solution or solution set. Equal set 1. It means the value which is to satisfy this relation is 1. It's finished. Again, to understand what I do, the number or the problem is x plus 3 equal to 4. We take this variable to the another value, to the another side, by opposite operation. This plus go to another by minus. Example number 2, 2x. What's the meaning of 2x? 2x, it means 2 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by x. What is the opposite operation of multiplication? Yes, it's the division. So, if we take 2 to the another side, we change the operation. Don't forget and don't make this mistake. We change the operation, not change the sign. So, x equal in this case 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided 2 equals what? Yes, it's equal 4. Is 4 belongs to n? Yes, it's an element in n. So, the solution set is set 4. Someone can be asked me, if this element not belongs to n, what is the solution? What we say in this case? Let us go to the third problems, maybe answered you. In this case, look, this 1 is 3x minus 1 equal to 7. This 3x minus 1. We have double operation in this. Number 1 we have subtraction, and number 2 we have multiplication. One by one, this subtract, go to the another side by opposite operation. So 3x in this case equals 7 plus 1, which equal 8. Operation number 2, divide by 3. When we divide by 3, x equal 8 divide 3. We can write this by 2 different methods. Look with me and choose the suitable for you. We can write this as the following: 3x equal 8 over 3 over 3. Or by another way, 3x equal 8 divided by 3. Choose any one, or you can make it direct. We need the result as a final. 8 over 3. This element, this number, is an element in n. Look, n is the set of natural numbers. Please don't forget from the start we say n is 0, 1, 2, and so on. We haven't fraction, we haven't decimal, we haven't negative. But in this case, x equal 8 over 3. This not an element in n. So the SS in this case equal to 5. There is no element that satisfies this relation in n. This is the first part. From the first term, don't forget the following: n is subset from z, is subset from q. Set n, subset from z, subset from q. It means if I find the SS in Q, it means it contains N and Z. All numbers in Q except the number which have the square root, the last lesson which we studied in class. Okay? Let's again look quickly to all of this to take another type of solution of this. We start by the meaning of equation. It's a relation, contains one variable, and we need to find the variable. Number 2, this is the set of elements or of numbers which we study in primary 6 and prep 1, and Z and the Q. Don't forget it. But after that, we take how to find the set of solution in N, and if the number not belongs to N, it means the set of solution is 5. Okay? Let us complete. We finished part 1 by the last problem, which having solution SS equal 5 in N. Now, we take the second part. What should we study in the second part? We say at the end of the first part, N is subset from Z, subset from Q. Now, if he say find S in Q, find the set of solution in Q. We know Q is a set of rational number which contains all numbers, positive, negative, fraction, okay. The only which we can use in Q now, the number which have the square root. For example, if I say for you 3x plus 2 equal to 7. This one. Number 2, x minus 5 equals 3x plus 2. Oh, we have the variable in two sides. Let us say how we solve. Number 3, 2x plus 5 equal to 7. These three different problems, we need to find the set of solution in Q. Now, the first one, 3x plus 2 equal to 7. Let us start to solve it. If the number positive, negative, fraction, it's a number or an element in Q. 3x plus 2 equal to 7. Now, as we say in the first part, number 1, we take the opposite operation. I say in the first of this lesson, we have two methods. Number 1, we directly translate by opposite operation. Number 2, by write the opposite operation. And in this case, I can write add negative 2 for both sides. This another method. I think this is hard for you. But choose, that's suitable for you. Now, 3x plus 2 minus 2 equals 7 minus 2, which equal 3x equal 5. Look, it's hard, I know, but you must know how we solve by this. Then divide by 3. Can I say over 3 over 3? Why we say 3? Because the coefficient of x in this problem is 3. F2 divide by 2. F1 divide by 1. But we don't divide by 1 because we need to find 1x. 3x equal over 3 equal 5 over 3. 3 cancelled with 3. X equal 5 over 3. This belongs to Q? Yes. So the SS of this problem is 5 over 3. Look, this is the second type of solution, or the second method of solution. Now we start to study another method. I say at the first, we take two methods. This is a hard one. I know it's hard for the students, but we must know it. Now we take another solution for the same problem. For example, which we have now, 3x plus 2 equal to 7. What I do, We say in the first part, we take the number to the another side by opposite operation. This plus we take by minus. So 3x equal 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, which equal to what? Yes, equal to 5. So 3x equal to 5. Now divide by 3. Can I write it directly by divide by 3 or over 3 over 3? As you like. I want to find the value only. How? This your method. By your own mind. بعقلك اللي تناسبك اختارها اشتغل بيها. So divide by 3, x equal 5 over 3. As we say, it belongs to Q, which equal SS 5 over 3. Me like this method, but we study the both. As you like, choose. But you must find the right answer at the finish, by any method you like. Now we take another problem, like number 2. What is the problem number 2? What say? X minus 5 equal to 3x plus 2. Solving equation. It means we need to find the value of x, the value of the variable. Someone asked me, we have the variable in two sides. What I do must be make the variables inside and the values in other. Don't forget again, for 5th time, we say any term change from side to another, we must write the opposite operation. Now, we take this variable x to another side. And we take the number 5 to another side. Look, 3x, this sign is positive. If I translate from side to another, must be changed. Change the operation. This positive go by negative. So now the problem as x minus 3x equal. These two, its side is the right. We don't change anything. This 5 is negative. Go to another side by opposite operation, which is positive. And complete as usual. Number 1, simplify, then find x. X minus 3x, it's equal negative 2x. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Again, I need to find the value of x. We need to cancel this number, which is negative 2. How we cancel negative 2? Divide by negative 2. Now, remember the science law. Positive times or divided positive, which equal positive. Negative divided or time positive equal negative. Negative divided or time negative equal positive. So, if the two signs are same, give positive. But if the two signs are different, must be give negative. Like this. We divided by negative 2. So x equal 7 divided by negative 2. X equal negative 7 over 2. Negative. In Q. Q is a set of rational numbers, which we take in first part, any number, as A over B, but B not equal to 0. Now, the result is negative 7 over 2. Negative 7 belongs to Z. 2 belongs to Z. 2 not equal 0. So, it belongs to Q. The SS in this case, what's the meaning of SS again? Set of solution or solution set, which equal negative 7 over 2. This number 2, we take in this problem new A, which we have the variable in two sides. I collect both in one side. The third problem, the third one, if we have a bracket like this, 2 times x plus 5 equal to 7. How I solve this? If we have a bracket, must be, before we solve, remove the bracket. We must be, take this bracket and remove it. Any number outside the bracket, it means multiply. So we distribute the 2 by multiplication in the 2 terms. 2 times x, which equal to x. 2 times 5 equal to 10. Equal 7. But it's like any problem which we studied before. It's the same one. We take 10 to another side by opposite operation. 2x equals 7 minus 10, which equal negative 3, divided by 2, x equal negative 3 over 2. We write the SS. I know now this part becomes so easy because we take 7 problems in the same lesson. All of these problems, we need to find the solution set. The last problem in this lesson, what? If we have many brackets, if we have many operations, it's the hardest one. It's a very, very hard problem. Maybe give an exam and maybe not. But we must know every part in our lesson because we use this part, inshallah, next week. Now, 3 times 2x minus 5 plus 2 times x plus 1 equal 10. How I solve this? Must be know what is the set which working is. Yes, we write find S N any set he like. I like to Q. Not me as Muhammad, but in general, we study solution set in Q. Now, we must remove all the brackets. This is the first step to solve this. 3 times 2x, 3 times negative 5, then 2 times x, 2 times 1. All of this equal 10. This is the first part. We remove the bracket. We expand this bracket. Step number 2 must be simplify all. Take the value of all variables, make it 1, and the all numbers make it 1. 6x, the like term is 2x. 6 plus 2, which equal to 8. Negative 15 plus 2, negative 13, all equal to 10. It's become like all problems which you studied before now. After we expand the 2 brackets, after we remove the brackets and make the simplify, makes the problem easy. The hard part is the first step only. How to expand and how to simplify. But after that, it's very easy problem. So 8x equal 10 plus 13. I take this to another side. 8x equal 23. Then over 8 over 8. Why we divide by 8? Because the coefficient of x is 8. X equal 23 over 8. Then SS equal 23 over 8. Thank you very much. We finish this lesson now.